everybody out there, and welcome back to the RostyMaths channel, and welcome to another probability video for the year 7 series. And so in this one we're going to talk about probability adding up to 1. We're going to touch on mutually exclusive events, but I will do that further on another video. Alright, but let's jump straight into this one. If you remember from my last video, link in the description, I talked about the beginnings of probability, and I talked about the fact that probability is only operating between 0 and 1, but probability tends to add up to 1 or 100%. Okay, so that's the main crux of this video. So for example, in this particular case, I have got that the probability that a train is late is 0.3. So find the probability that it is not late. Well, that's a mutually exclusive event, and that mutually exclusive means that these two things cannot happen at the same time. So it's either it's late or it's not late. Okay, there's no way that it can be early and late at the same time. So it's mutually exclusive. Okay, so since probability adds up to 1 and the probability that it's late is 0.3, then the probability that it's not late is 1 take away 0.3, which is 0.7. And just like that, that is how you work out what a missing probability is, because we know it adds up to 1. So there's a 30% chance it will be late, but a 70% chance it will be on time. All right. Now, the other way that you tend to see probability is if they put it in a table like this. So I've got a made-up question. It's a bag of counters. And in the bag of counters, you've got 4 colors. You've got red, green, blue, and white. And what we're trying to work out is what's the probability of getting a blue counter in that bag. But the question's been really nice. They've already told us what the probability is of the other colors. So we see that it's 0.2 for red, 0.1 for green, and 0.5 for white. So if I want to find a missing counter, which is blue, I'm going to say that the probability of it being blue is 1 take away all the other probabilities we've got. So 0.2 plus 0.1 plus 0.5, that's going to be 1 take away 0.8, which means that 0.2 is what we're going to have for the probability of a blue. So that brings this video to an end. In the next video, not the next one, probably in the next few videos, I will talk about what happens when you get more mutually exclusive events. Like, for example, what's the probability of getting a blue or a white if you are going to pull a counter from the bag. Stay tuned for that. That's coming up soon. In the meanwhile, though, if this video was useful to you, smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe below for more content like this. But until I see you on the next one, peace.